What if your next pet never shed a single hair, never chewed your shoes, and never needed a vet, but still followed you around, learned your habits, and even made you laugh? Today, we're exploring the most fascinating AI-powered pets you can actually buy right now. And warning, by the end of this video, you might be convinced your future best friend doesn't need to be alive to feel real. In a world where our pets are often our closest companions, it's natural to wonder if a robot could ever truly fill that role. Some of these robots can recognize your face, learn your mood, and adapt to your lifestyle. They can play with you, teach you, and even protect your home. Others, they're just plain adorable. And trust me, the one I'm saving for last might make you forget your old pet altogether. 1. Evo Rala Mini, the home rover with a heart. Imagine you're halfway across the world on vacation, but you can still follow your dog around the living room in real time. The Evo Rala Mini isn't just a camera. It's a mobile guardian for your home and a way to stay connected to your loved ones. It's the K camera. Night vision and smooth rolling wheels make it feel less like a gadget and more like a pet with a job. Whether you're checking if your cat is sleeping on the couch or catching your toddler in a mid-cookie heist, this little rover keeps you connected. It's the perfect blend of a surveillance system and a family pet. And yes, you can talk through it. That means you can tell your dog good boy even when you're thousands of miles away, bringing a piece of home right to your vacation. Double quotes to .eilik, the jealous little desk buddy next up Isaac. The kind of desk companion you didn't know you needed. This little robot is full of personality. Stroke its head and it beams with joy, its lead face lighting up with a smile. Ignore it to long and it sulks, its expression changing to show its disappointment. Almost like a friend you forgot to text back. But the real fun begins when you introduce a second Ike. They can spend hours chatting, bickering, and playing little games, creating their own unique world right on your desk. It's almost like having cartoon characters living right in front of you. Perfect for anyone who wants company at work without the awkward small talk. 3. Luna Vita Point 4, the puppy with AI smarts. If you've ever wanted a puppy without the mess, Luna Vita Point 4 is for you. Powered by GPT-4 and Amazon Lex, Luna knows your face, your voice, and even your play style. Call her name and she'll come bounding over, her robotic tail wagging like crazy. She can fetch, perform tricks, and even follow you from room to room like a shadow that loves you. The more you interact with her, the more her personality develops, making her feel truly unique. It's all the joy of a real puppy, without the muddy paw prints, shoe cables, or expensive vet bills. 4. Sony AI Bio, the living robot dog. Next up is an icon in the world of robot pets, the Sony AI Bio. AI Bio isn't just a toy, it's a dynamic and affectionate companion with an evolving personality. It uses cameras, microphones, and sensors to perceive its environment, and it responds to touches, sounds, and even your facial expressions. The more time you spend with it, the more it learns and forms a unique bond with you. Its old eyes express a wide range of emotions, while its incredibly lifelike movements make it feel less like a robotic animal and more like a live puppy. AI Bio shows us just how far AI-powered pets can go, offering you the experience of a truly living robot companion. 5. Joy for All Companion Pup, comfort in a tail wag designed with a different purpose in mind. The Joy for All Companion Pup offers comfort in a tail wag. This pup is specifically designed for seniors and dementia patients, and it feels alive. It has a soft coat, realistic barking sounds, and even a heartbeat you can feel when you hold it. The goal here isn't advanced AI, but genuine, simple companionship. Bring it into a room, and you can watch faces light up instantly. It's comfort. Technology at its best. No feeding, no vet visits, just a comforting presence on demand. 6. Doggy, the one-of-a-kind robot dog. Next is Doggy, a robot dog that's a true surprise. Turn it on for the very first time, and it randomly decides its own colors, sounds, and personality. Notes are alike, making yours truly unique. From the moment it comes to life, it plays 6 games, responds to voice commands, and uses its expressive lead tail to show you how it's feeling. It's like adopting a puppy, but this time, you get a surprise reveal at birth. making the initial unboxing experience unforgettable. 7. Emo. The weather-savvy music lover emote doesn't just respond to commands, it reacts with personality. This little desktop companion has a mind of its own. If it's sunny, it might dance. If it's raining, it might sulk a little, reflecting the mood of the day. It plays music, chats with you, and navigates its space to find its own charging station. When it gets tired, think of it as your little desk roommate who always knows how to set the mood, bringing a bit of unpredictable life to your daily routine. 8. Vector by Anki. Alexa with attitude. We all know Alexa, but what if she had a body? Meet Vector. He can take photos, tell you the weather, and answer questions just like a smart speaker. But he also tilts his head, leans in when he's curious, and celebrates with a little dance when he wins a game of blackjack against you. Vector is Alexa, but with eyes, sass, and a habit of surprising you with his charm. He's the kind of robot that feels like a real member of the family, not just a device. 9. Moxie. The social skills coach. The Moxie robot is a friend with a purpose. It holds conversations like a friend, remembering details you shared earlier and checking in on you later. It helps kids practice empathy, confidence, and communication skills through games and roleplay. For shy or anxious kids, it's like having a patient buddy who never runs out of encouragement. Moxie is designed to be a positive influence, helping children navigate the complexities of social interactions in a safe and supportive way. 10. Amazon Astro. The guard dog on wheels. The Amazon Astro robot isn't just cute, it's functional. It's a guard dog on wheels that patrols your home, recognizes faces, and alerts you if something's not right. Need to send a snack to someone upstairs? Astro can deliver it. Need a laugh? Just ask it to dance. It's security, delivery, and entertainment all in one adorable, rolling package. Astro shows us a future where our pets do more than just keep us company. They help manage our lives and keep us safe. 11. Misa 2. The family assistant. Last but not least, we have Misa 2, the ultimate family assistant. Misa can do everything, from calling grandma to helping with homework, setting reminders, and even teaching a new language. Kids love it because it plays games and tells stories. Parents love it because it keeps them organized and productive. It's like the helpful cousin who visits for the weekend and never leaves. Misa is a testament to how integrated AI can become in our daily lives, making every day a little easier and a lot more fun. So far, we've met robots that teach, protect, and cuddle, but the real question is, which one actually feels the most alive? Which one moves beyond being just a gadget and becomes a true companion? Stick around, because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal the one that shocked me with how human it seemed. So, if I handed you $500 right now and told you to pick one, would you go with the loyal Luna, the unique doggy, or the ever-watchful Amazon Astro? Let me know in the comments, and tell me what you'd name it. I'm curious to see which of these incredible creations captures your heart the most. If you enjoyed peeking into the future of companionship, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and join me next time when we explore AI creations so advanced, your real pets might start getting jealous.